Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will explain you. Actually, I'm going to start a video series about free website builder. So here I will explain you that how you can build a blog or a website using a free website builder which is called Blogger. Blogger is a platform of Google, so you can log in Blogger using your Gmail ID. So once you are logged in, you can open blogger.com. And here you can see I have different blogs. Okay, so but I will show you that how you can start from scratch and how you can build a stunning blog or a website for your personal need or for your business or for any commercial purpose, so you can click here new blog. Blog list, create a new blog. So the title of blog, like for example, now we will start a blog like about tutorials, for instance. So my name is Omer, but so I will write here tutorials. Address of the blog, you can select right now. Blogger allows you to build a blog without having to worry about domain and hosting. But in future, if you want to add a custom domain, you can add. You can read here like you can also add a custom domain later. So for example, this one is types. So you can see, sorry, this blog address is not available. So this blog has been created already, so we can try another name like tutorials. See, the blog address is available. Here you can see different themes as well, so you can select one of them. Theme also, like see theme by default this one is Contempo is selected, so we can select for example this one here. And now even you can browse many more themes and you can customize your blog also later. So just click create blog. So blog has been created. You can click here like view blog on my tutorials.blogspot.com, and Google also gives you this SSL certificate, so your blog URL is also secure. Remember, I am again saying that it is totally free without domain and hosting, and in future if you want to attach custom domain, anytime you can. So on the left side you can see there are different options like posts. So blog posts, you can see here all stats of your blog. You can see here, you can see comment section. You can also check your earnings if you are using Google AdSense, and you can add pages. You can also check layout, and you can also control theme from here, and you can also control settings of your blog from here. This is reading list and something. If you want any kind of support or help, you can also visit this link. So now we start with post section. So for example, if we create a new post, now you can see here you can add post title, and here you can add content of your post. On right side you can see post settings where we have labels, schedule, permalink, location and options. You can publish your post, you can save also as a draft, you can preview before publish, or you can close this one. This is compose section and this is HTML. If you have experience in HTML, you can also customize your blog or website using HTML. So post title, I will also explain you in this video series about something about on-page optimization as well. So here we will create our first post, and the post, for example, Adobe, like if we start something about Adobe Photoshop, so Adobe Photoshop for why you should start Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so this is the title of our post, and now here we can write the content. So for let's start. Actually, I was thinking that I will include here lorem ipsum, which is dummy content, but we will write here. Normally, your post should be 300 words in for a good on-page optimization. So we will write here, no problem, 150 words. So, but I'm again saying that it should be minimum 300 words for a good SEO, but you can write also 100, 150, no problem. It's not mandatory that you will write 300 words, but 300 words are recommended. So for example, now let's start. Adobe Photoshop is a if you want to include this here, you can see these are article formatting options. So bullet list, if you want to add, so as a, for example, this you can see as a graphic designer, as a web designer, as a 3D graphic designer, as a video editor, as a mobile application designer. So as a graphic designer, you can design brochures, flyers, business cards, and you can edit images up to professional level. You can apply different adjustments like brightness, contrast, so you can see this one is a one paragraph about graphic designer. Now I will explain something about web designer, that how you can use Photoshop as a exactly what you can do as a web designer in Photoshop. As a web designer, you can design markup or templates for your websites, which a developer can develop after design process. You can design beautiful and professional templates for your web pages. As a 3D graphic designer, you make can apply 3D effects to your text and images. As a video editor, you can apply different keyframe animations to your videos, or you can make a video from scratch. Apply awesome and professional effects to videos. As a mobile application designer, you can make templates for your mobile apps, design, post design beautiful and professional templates, then convert them into a running and stunning mobile application. Okay. Always use H2 in your content for a better on-page optimization, like this one, graphic designer. So we can select this text, and from here you can apply heading. If you click on HTML, so you can see here this is H2. Perfect. And then this one is web designer, and we can also apply from here heading, and then 3D graphic designer, select and apply heading, and same for video editor, and you can apply heading from here. Mobile application design. So this is also heading. You can also select any text, and if you want to apply alignment, like this is justify text, so you can also apply this in formatting options. And and here this is labels. Labels are categories, so you can select here, like this one, the post which I created about I wrote about something about Adobe Photoshop. So this can be Adobe Photoshop CC. You can include two categories as well, but I recommend one category. Okay. So this, and then you can also include one image, because let me show you, if you publish this post without any image, you can share on Google Plus this post. This one also is a good part to get a good step to get a good number of traffic from Google Plus. And if we refresh now, this our front page, so you can see this is the title, why you should start Adobe Photoshop. If you click, then we can see the post content here. So we will include one image. So for this we will use pexels.com or pixabay.com or stocksnap.io, stockphotos.io. There are lots of websites from where you can download and you can use images without having to worry about copyrights issues. So for example, if you search about Adobe, so something like this, and then we will save image as desktop. It's like Adobe. I have already one image, so we can use this one. So anytime if you want to edit your post, you can click on edit, and for example, if we include image here, you can see here insert image. So you can upload, choose files. You can also include from this blog, from Google album archive, Google, from your phone, from your webcam, or from a URL. Choose a file from desktop like Adobe Photoshop. Then add selected. This will appear here if you click. So you can see by default alignment is center. You can select left if you want, and you can also apply large, small, medium, extra large as you want, and then update this post. Now if you refresh home page, you can see that image will appear here. So this is the first post which we have created in our blog, and now you can see why you should start Adobe Photoshop. Or we can change it like why you should use Adobe Photoshop, and update. Now if you refresh, you can see why you should use Adobe Photoshop. And if you click now, so see the content. So this was the first part. Thank you, and just wait for another video. Definitely in this complete series I will explain you, as I have started from scratch. So up to advanced level, I will show you that how you can create a blog or a website using Blogger, and in last of this video series, I will also show you that how you can attach a custom domain as well. So thank you very much. One more thing, sorry, if you edit this one, and if you select the text, because in this video I told you about 150 words, but I wrote something control C, control, it's about 204 words, so not bad. So recommended it are 300 words, but you can write 150 200 words as well. So thank you very much.